Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Shanetel, my brand is Shenpunky, and this is Shen's. Now, my name is Shanetel, however, my friends call me Shen, and my family calls me Punky. So Shen and Punky, I just put them together, and that's how we have Shenpunky. So that's how I came up with my name. Now, Shen's is my YouTube channel page where I'll just go ahead and talk about everything. I'll talk about things that are happening in my life, current situations, current affairs, advice on things and how I got them done. So I'm just going to give you a little insight on my life. You will go ahead and take a journey with me on the things that I like, what I'm passionate about. And just to give you a little recap, so I started this channel back in 2016 when I decided I should vlog. I should go in front of the camera and tell people what I want to say. So I started this channel. However, I haven't been consistent on it, and the reason for that is I got like really busy with work. I moved to a different country and stuff like that, so I was so busy I couldn't actually like create videos and have the time to dedicate to this channel. But that was 3 years ago almost. So now I'm ready. Now I can do it. Now I can be consistent. Now I can pledge myself to you, my viewers. So come along with me and take this journey on Shen's with me. Let us talk about all the things that we have to see. So I know I'll be doing book reviews. We'll talk about how to do stuff, and we'll talk about like tips that I have and tips that I can tell you based on books I've read. And also maybe like later down in the year we'll be doing maybe some hair tutorials and some makeup. After all, I'm not like any professional, but I really want to learn, and I really do hope you come with me on these learning journeys. I also would like to get that summer body. I have a good body, but I really have some areas that I want to tone. So I also will like post that journey, and you can also follow me on like my summer body journey. So come with me for the year of 2019. It's all about learning. It's all about different areas of my life that I'll be taking different journeys, and I want you, my viewers, to come along with me. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, like this video, give me a thumbs up, and like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and you can also add me on Snapchat. My information will be down below, and you also see it right here on the screen. And everything for me is at Shenpunky. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to share. Let 2019 be the year of magic and miracles.